This video, I'd like to show you the results and performance of my Charles Schwab stock portfolio brokerage account from October 10th, 2022 through October 14th, 2022. This is an account that I created in the attempts to become better at investing, learn how to invest, be more familiar with how the markets work. And the ultimate goal is to build this account, invest money in this account, and grow this account to $100,000. So all in all, it was a good week. My account gained $10.52 during this week, which might not seem like a lot, but hey, to me, a win is a win. Anytime I make money with the account, I'm very pleased, especially here lately. It's been a lot of weeks of negativity and losses, and I'm still recuperating, trying to recover from them losses. But at least this week was good. So it's pretty much starting out early week is pretty steady. Then for some reason, the account grew on Thursday. We had that rally on October 13th. Things went up. And if things stayed where they were, if I made this video after Thursday, October 13th, I would have had more money. I think the total gain from this account would have been $65, $66. But then Friday, we came back down to earth, more normal. I think that's going to be seen as an anomaly, how well the market did on October 13, 2022. But we're back down here a little bit, but not as worse as it was when for most of the week. So $10.52 is what I gained this week. The beginning value of this account was $3,070.24. I didn't contribute any money this week, but I plan on next week, this upcoming week, contributing more money, buying some more shares in defensive stocks, which are essentially the sectors. I'm going to buy some shares of stocks in the sectors of utilities and healthcare, and maybe some consumer staples, those sectors. There's 11 sectors of the stock market. Those three are commonly referred to as the defensive sectors. And so I'll make a future video about that, kind of explaining the philosophy and my strategy behind those defensive sectors and defensive stocks. So here in this upcoming week, I plan on investing more money, building this balance up, this value up. The investment change, again, I gained $10.52. That's how you get this ending value right here. So I'm pleased. Overall, I made money. I didn't lose money this week. And to me, I think this week was a success. If we look at the rate of return from this brokerage account, you'll see that I gained 0.34% this week, which again is positive. It would have been better if we stopped here at October 13th. I think the account would have gained like 2.2%, somewhere around there. But I'm still in the green. Anytime I'm in the green, I'm smiling, I'm happy. So, and you see by this chart, this gives a good visual of how my account did, which is in the blue, versus the other common indexes like the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the NASDAQ, S&P 500, Russell 2000. So as you visually see here, only one of those common indexes outperformed my Charles Schwab individual stock portfolio brokerage account, and that was the Dow Jones Industrial Average. If we look down here, you see the percentages of rate of return. So again, mine was 0.34 rate of return. The Russell 2000, which is the index, you can check out my video where I explain what the Russell 2000 is. I just recently learned that. That's the index, market index for small to mid cap companies. So that was down 1.15%. And that one usually has been doing really well here the past couple of months. So it's rare to see this one down as much as this. S&P 500 was down even more than that. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, again, was the best performing out of all these common indexes that I'm using as a barometer, and the NASDAQ was down a little bit. So overall, I feel really good about this week. They all can't be like Thursday, October 13th, where it really spiked, but I think that's an anomaly here. We're going to go back down. We're going to lose more money, and that's very important to note. I'm very prepared to lose more money. I'm very prepared to lose more a percentage of this stock portfolio account. Do I like losing money? No, nobody likes losing money. But I know it's all part of this roller coaster that the stock market's on. We're going to be down this year, 2022, and we're probably going to be down 2023. We'll see overall. So I got to prepare myself mentally and emotionally to accept that you're not going to make much money here in the short term. What I can do is buy shares of stocks while they're cheap. So when the market is low, you kind of buy as much as you think you need to buy, and you got to make good decisions on what you buy. You could find companies and businesses that are cheap. Those shares are going to be down in value, and you find those good values. So you buy low. Of course, you've heard that all the time, buy low, sell high. So now the time is to buy low. So even though this account might get low and I'm losing money, overall, I think I'm going to be better off because now's the time to buy up a lot of these shares and a lot of these companies, and we profit in the future. So it's a long game. So I met one of my goals, which is to get to $3,000. The next goal is $5,000 by the end of 2022. So we got a couple more months, half of October, all of November, and all of December to grow this account to $5,000. Pretty confident I can do that, even in a down market. And then the overall goal is $100,000. I'm being optimistic, very optimistic. And I want to try to do that in 5 years to have $100,000 in this Charles Schwab stock portfolio brokerage account. And you can follow along with the journey if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, which I would appreciate. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get all the latest videos on how to invest. You can follow my journey as I learn about investing, how to become a better investor. Hopefully, my journey and some of these videos can help you on your investment journey and how to become financially independent, how to make money, save money, invest money, so you can make money work for you and you not having to work for money your entire life. That's what it's about, living life on your own terms. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you're interested in that. And ideally, this channel can help you as well as me reach financial freedom and financial independence. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch these videos and keep up with my investment journey and my investment education. But again, this is created to hopefully, as I learn, the people that watch these videos can learn as well, and you can take control of your finances, which can play a huge role in creating more security and more freedom in one's life. All the best. Take care.